When technology evolved to 6G to 7G or 8th generation, at kagaya ng paulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa inyo, in the world of technology, babad na tayo ng unnoticeable, imaginary at invisible frequency one day. Yung mga nasa utak ninyo, the brain waves on your brain, the frequency that was released on your brain will be revealed via ano ba, pwede television, pwedeng radio, pwede rin yung phone natin. It will be revealed one day under the terahertz frequency. And when that happens, good luck sa inyo. Deep inside na mga may dipis,